This Windows trick will blow your mind. No joke. If you've ever felt lost digging through settings, this hidden feature called GodMode gives you instant access to over 200 system tools and options from a single folder. Here's how to unlock it. Right-click on your desktop, create a new folder, and rename it to exactly like that. Once you hit enter, the icon transforms into a special control panel style shortcut. Open it and boom. You now have centralized access to advanced settings like device manager, power options, disk cleanup, troubleshooting, and much more. It's like finding cheat codes for your computer. And here's a bonus tip. Press Windows plus V to open your clipboard history. Just enable it once, and you'll never lose a copied link or note again. It's a total productivity upgrade. Try these tricks out and thank me later. If your mind's blown, hit like and follow for more hidden Windows hacks.